In this video, we are going to be talking about this Jasmy daily RSI. We are going to be looking at the Jasmy price chart on the daily time frame as well. Likewise to Jasmy price chart on the weekly time frame. We are as well going to be talking about this our trade. As you can see, if you entered this long entry in my last YouTube video, congratulations, you've made yourself a massive profit. And we're going to be looking at the BTC price chart and also as well as the BTC dominance chart in order to get a clear picture of what we should expect. We are as well going to be talking about the BTC liquidation heat map in order to get a clear picture of what BTC is trying to do next. So if you paid attention to the last Jasmy video we made, I specifically gave you guys this long entry zone. I told you if Jasmy coin should dip into that zone, I'm going to be taking a long position there, and the pump is going to be massive from there. And we gave a price target. The price target, first price target we gave was 0.019443. The second price target was 0.019718. That was what happened. If you notice, when Jasmy dipped into our long entry zone, we got a massive price push from that zone with a massive candle. And we head straight to our first price target, which was around 0.019443. So in this video, I'm going to give you another potential long entry opportunity for Jasmy coin. Now, if you even use 10x leverage when I took my long position from here, you would have been a massive profit of over 130% profit. And if you use 20x leverage, that's over 260% profit. That's massive, like seriously. So pay attention. We're going to be talking about same thing in today's video. By the way, if you want to join my public group, the link will be in the description of this video and also in the comment section of this video. Link to chat me up on WhatsApp to get added to our premium Telegram private group will be in the description of this video as well, for those who want to know altcoins we are buying for potential massive profit, and also daily futures trading signals and stealth launch, fair launch signals. So yeah, so if you notice, when we came there, we got a massive pump of 13%, almost 14%. Remember, let me play the video for you guys real quick. Let me play the video. If Jasmy should dump here, the better reversal to the upside we are going to get. So don't panic sell, please. Rather, I'll be taking a long position. I'll be setting my limit order by the time Jasmy dipped to this zone. And if it doesn't, then I'm likely to have missed out on the run to the upside, because it might as well run to the upside briefly to around 0.0197 and also 0.019443. So that zone is also a very valid zone for either a correction for Jasmy coin and a take profit area depending on the position you're in. So yeah, that was it. Congratulations if you took the trade. And so in this video, we are going to be, let's just head over straight to the Jasmy price chart real quick. Now, if you're paying attention to this daily RSI, you would notice we have formed this pattern before. This is not the first time we are forming this same pattern on the RSI. The last time we had a massive drop in the momentum for Jasmy price was a couple of months back, you understand? And in February 8th was when we got the massive breakout of the RSI. Now, same thing is happening here. Remember, before that February 8th breakout happened in 2024, we got a massive top for Jasmy coin November 11, 2023. That was when the correction started. Now, if you paid attention once again, we had another massive top in February 2024. That is February 21st. Massive top, and then we began our correction in the Jasmy RSI momentum all the way to where we are now. And in my last video, I specifically told you guys, the moment we are breaking this trend line for this RSI and flipping it into a support, then we can start welcoming more price move of the Jasmy RSI momentum to the upside. Now we have successfully broken out of this upper trend line right here. We have successfully broke above it. We flipped it into a support. The next thing now is for the momentum to begin her journey to the upside. Now, let's just talk about the daily time frame real quick. The daily time frame is still valid. We've been talking about this daily time frame for quite some time now. And I told you guys in my videos, I've screamed about this price level times without numbers. Now, I've screamed of this level 0.01703 for you guys times without numbers. I told you the moment Jasmy is deep into that zone is a long entry opportunity because we are likely to get a bounce from there. That was what happened. We got a bounce from there in our last trade, and also each time Jasmy dips to that zone, it's a bounce. Each time we dip to that zone, it's a bounce. So as long as Jasmy is trading between the zone of 0.024 and also 0.017, there's no cause for alarm. There's no need to panic sell. Please and please, alt season is coming. Let me show you guys a chart real quick. Now, if you're paying attention to this BTC price chart, you would notice the post-halving pump we got after the 2012 halving, we got almost 9,000% pump. Same thing happened in post-halving pump we got after the 2016 halving. We got almost 3,000% pump. The post-halving pump we got after the 2020 halving was almost 600% pump for BTC. Now, if you're paying attention to the current chart, you will notice we haven't even moved. You understand? The post-halving pump for BTC for this year 2024 after the 2024 halving, which was in April, hasn't even started. That is to tell you are still very much early to the game, to the rally, to the pump. So there is no need to panic sell your Jasmy position now. Please and please hold on to your horses tight because we are about to take off. Now let's just look at the BTC dominance real quick. In as much as Jasmy coin is kind of consolidating, the price is kind of stable for now. If you're paying attention to the BTC dominance, the dominance hasn't really corrected massively as we are expecting it to correct. Now, the moment you start seeing the BTC dominance lose this upper channel, which is currently trading, which is a bearish channel, the moment the BTC dominance loses this uptrend channel and then correct to 52%, just know we are on our way to the alt season. And the alt season is going to be explosive this time around. Now, the greater the correction, the better our alt season is going to be bullish. Now, if we call the next correction zone for BTC after the 52% zone, for BTC dominance, by the way, after the 52% zone is the 47% zone. 42% zone is my final profit, final BTC dominance correction target for this cycle. But if we go below 42%, then the pump we are going to get for our altcoin is going to be massive. So the greater the dump for BTC dominance, the better our altcoin bags are going to pump. Jasmy is ranked the top 100 cryptocurrencies available in the crypto space. So by the time the rotation of liquidity begins from BTC, it is definitely that Jasmy coin is definitely going to get her share. And with strong community, good hype, good utility, what do you expect? Before you know it, we are going to begin to see Jasmy on the top 20 coin, on the top 10 coin. So yeah, let's just talk about the BTC liquidation heat map real quick. This is the BTC liquidation heat map on the 24-hour time frame. And as you can see, the liquidation heat map is looking tricky. We have more liquidity around 63k and also more liquidity around 63,400. We have over $23 million worth of liquidity there, and then around the 63,200 we have over $20 million worth of liquidity there. We have over $20 million worth of liquidity around $62,510 as well. We have liquidity to the downside as well, but in my own opinion, I think the price of BTC is likely to move to the upside to take out those liquidations position there before maybe correcting down to take out this liquidity around 60k and 61k respectively. If you're looking for another long entry opportunity for Jasmy coin, I think you might have missed the rally already, because if you notice, when we dipped to the 0.0174 zone, we got a clean bounce in the last 12 hours. Jasmy got a clean bounce from there to the upside. and we are currently trading at around 0.017994. Now, if you want to take the gamble, if you want to take the risk, then you can long Jasmy from the current price is trading and then target our previous price target once again. Now, by the way, I think I have a 1 hour time frame for Jasmy chart open. So let's just look at the 1 hour time frame for Jasmy. Nice one, nice one. Now, this is the 1 hour time frame for Jasmy. If you are longing Jasmy from the current price, which is 0.0179, then your price target should be 0.0, your price target one should be 0.01866667. The second take profit should be 0.019103. These are important liquidity zones which Jasmy is likely to retrace to, is likely to pump to. But the better if Jasmy should correct from here, let's just go back to that chart. If we are to, okay, let me take this out now. If we are to get a correction from here for Jasmy coin from the current price back into this zone, then I would advise you to go massively long there, because the better the correction into this liquidity pool, the better the pump, the greater the pump to the upside for Jasmy coin. As always, my name is Isaac. Please and please invest the amount you can afford to lose. By the way, Jasmy on the weekly time frame is still looking good, as long as we don't lose the zone between, we've talked about this sometimes to our numbers, as long as we don't lose the zone between 0.0179 and also 0.015. There's no cause for alarm at all. We are still bullish. Jasmy is still bullish in the long run, and very soon we should be tapping into the zone between 0.038 and also 0.050 zone. You understand? I've said the time channel number in my videos. The moment we are tapping into that zone, flipping it into a support, then expect 8 cents to happen very soon. The moment 8 cents is happening, there's not much resistance around 8 cents, so we might see 12 cents very soon. The moment 8 cents is crossing and flipping into a support, 12 cents is the next price target. We have other price target, but in subsequent videos, in my subsequent videos, I'm going to be discussing about those price target. As always, my name is Isaac. Like my video if you haven't already. Subscribe to this channel. Peace out.